Magandang hapon po ng Wednesday, June 18, 2025 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Wednesday, June 18, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng June 18, 2025 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 5 PM draw ng 3D Lotto. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for June 18, 2025 Wednesday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for June 18, 2025 Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Wednesday, June 18, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.